CISO stock analysis and CISO stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space with 40,000 videos. I have proof of everything, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. CISO Global, it's already like a 41% correction. It's tough. It's really, really tough. But I guess we're covering these freaking sell side stocks, right? Like, I'm not saying that I'm going to come out here and just start selling CISO. But the truth and the reality of the matter is that I beforehand, like I bought, I was looking to buy and that did deliver. You can see I even have the proof to back up my claim. But that's long past gone. Now we have new data here. And I'm trying to tell you that for this is tough. Only thing that will make me buy is a proper shift, right? And probably will take time. I mean, unless Monday just comes in handy and just gives me some proper shift or just gaps up. But ideally, I want to see a confirmation taking place, and only then I'm going to be buying. But last thing that I'm going to do is randomly get involved currently. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description and get my free email.